In this quick video, I'm going to walk you through the agent sub-account setup as well as accepting payment and creating packages. So let's get started. First things first, in the top right side, you're going to mouse over your name and you're going to click on account. This is where you're going to set up your payment info. You're going to scroll down to the bottom, and down here, you're going to choose your payment gateway. Now you have the choice of PayPal, Authorize.net, or both, as offering those options for your customers to pick how they want to pay. I'm just going to choose PayPal. I've got a PayPal email address in there. I hit update, and that's all it takes. So once you've set up which payment gateway you're going to use, PayPal or Authorize.net, then you're going to go back up here and we're going to create the packages. So you're going to come down here to packages, click on that. And now I want to explain the different packages to you. There is something that says add packages, add monthly packages, add secondary numbers, and add OTC packages. OTCs are one-time credits. This is like if somebody bought a standard package from you or a monthly package that had a certain amount of credits allowed. The OTC is a way that, let's say somebody needs an extra 500 or 1,000 credits, they can just buy a credit package from you and have it added to their account. So to create an OTC package, you'll click on Add OTC Package. Let's just call this OTC 1,000, like if they want to buy 1,000 credits. So I'm going to put 1,000 credits. And then I'm going to choose the dollar amount on here that we want to charge for those 1,000 credits. So let's just say I'm going to charge them $19. Okay. And then I've got to see how many credits do they get? Well, I'm going to give them 1,000 SMS credits for that. I'm not going to put any voice credits in here, but I am going to let them be rollover credits. So I'm going to put 0 and then put save. Once I hit save, now you can see I have a 1,000 credit package in here, costs $19. Adds 1,000 credits to their account. Now, maybe I say, well, wait a minute, I don't want to charge that much. I'm just going to charge them $10 for 1,000 credits because credits are cheap through Twilio or whatever it is. Boom, you can easily adjust it that way. So that's how quickly you create an OTC package. Now, if you click on the list, that's just going to show you the list of the packages you have for each of these. Now, there's also secondary number packages. By default, when somebody signs up for an account, they can get one number included, but maybe they want to buy more phone numbers. We can create a package here. So I'm going to say I'm going to call this second number package 10, where I'm going to allow them to get 10 new numbers. I'm going to give it a name. I'm going to put the dollar amount in here. So let's say I want to charge them monthly. Okay, this is a monthly billing. So let's say I go, all right, I want to charge them $3 per number per month. So I'm going to make this a $30 upgrade. And how many do they get? They get up to 10 phone numbers. I hit save. Now it's going to take me to the number packages list. Notice my 5 number package costs $15, gives them 5 extra numbers. My 10 numbers package, $30, gets them 10 secondary numbers. So they would have a total of 6 or a total of 11 when we think of their one included number. You can always edit at any time by clicking on the little edit button or click the trash can to delete. Third thing is we can set up monthly packages. Now, and we're working bottom to top here. On a monthly package, maybe I go, I want to create a package for them. We're just going to call this Rockstar Starter. Okay. And we're going to call this the Small Biz Starter. And I'm going to price this. Let's say I'm going to price this for them at, look, for just using the platform, I'm going to charge them $15 a month. And I'm going to say that this comes with 200 credits in it. Okay. Or yeah, let's just say that for now. And no voice credits. We're going to not include any, but we will let the credits roll over. Once I hit save, it'll take me to my credits list and boom, you can see all of this in here. So for this, I've got a $15 a month starter package that has 200 credits, but they can pay $19 a month and get 500 credits. And you can see, yes, the credits carry over. That's how easy it is to set this monthly package up. But before we move on, I want to show you a couple things here. Notice this little permissions lock here. This is where you choose what is included in the package. So I do not want them to have voice broadcast on this package. This super cheap starter package that's on here, if I'm going to give them a $15 package that only has 200 credits, I don't want them to have access to all the features. Maybe I say, you know what? This is just a super cheap starter package. All I want them to have the ability to do in this is I want them to be able to create QR codes, web sign up widgets, and I'm going to take everything else out of here except for short links and the ability to get a phone number, send a message, and that's it, right? So I've got these features enabled. Now I hit save. So now that Rockstar starter package is created, no voice credits. And so you can go through and you can adjust these. Now, like if this one's got the ability to have voice credits in there, well, then I want all these features active on it, right? But these ones that say no voice credits, I want to go in here under permissions and I want to make sure that I remove voice broadcast from that option. I'm also going to remove the affiliates option from every single one. I do not want my customers to see the ability to become an affiliate for SMS-iT because I want to contain the business within my own. So I'm going to remove it from there. When I hit save, that's going to go ahead and save those features. Everything that shows a 0 in voice credits that I've built as a package, I am going to remove the voice broadcast from and hit save. And again, like I said, I'm going to go through, and if you want to remove any features, you can just click remove them. It's easy to do. So pretty fast, pretty easy. Now the next thing is just the add packages button. Might be a little confusing because you say, well, aren't those packages? They are, but the standard add packages is what you would consider a lifetime license. For example, if you look at list packages, you see I've created a lifetime license package that's $997, but it comes with 10,000 credits included with the package. Now I might upgrade that. I might say, look, if I'm selling somebody a $997 package, I'm going to give them 25,000 text credits in here. I'm going to hit update and boom. Now, how do the credits work? Let me explain this to you. So the credits are what you allow in the package. So if you're using the cloud version or something like that, where or you're running it through one of your phone numbers, like let's say you're using your Twilio account or something like that, where you pay for the messages, you're going to charge the appropriate amount so that it covers your message costs. Now, if you've got somebody who is using their own Twilio account, you may want to create a different type of package with unlimited credits because they're going to have to put their Twilio information in. So in that case, let's say I'm going to add what I call an unlimited package. So we're going to call this the unlimited Twilio user package. And I'm going to charge for that package. Let's say for the unlimited package, I'm going to charge $497, and I'm going to give them 999,999 credits. I never want them to run out of credits because they're paying for them. They're using Twilio. And then I hit save. And now this package has been created. And if somebody wants to buy that package, upgrade to that package, they can get unlimited credits. Now, you've got to make sure it is set up properly because if you've got your Twilio information in their account, they're going to get unlimited credits and you're going to be paying for them. So with this package, you only want to make this available to certain folks, and you'll want to explain what that package entails. But that's how you create these packages. If you ever want to delete one, you click the red trash can and it is gone. Now, how do you set someone up on one of these packages? Well, I'm going to show you how it's done. So if you mouse over your name, click agent sub accounts, you're going to go in, you're going to create a new account. You'll click actions, add agent sub account. And when you do that, you're going to see the simple information to fill out. This one's already created, but I'm going to go back here and I'll click on this. I'll click add agent sub account, and then you're going to fill in their first name, last name, email address, phone, company name, create a password, choose their time zone and country, and hit save. Now, what we're going to do is show you what this looks like to your customer. All right, so we're logged in the dashboard as the customer. Now, this account was created with no package chosen, so we're going to click click to upgrade plan, and this is where you can see all the different accounts. For example, the lifetime license package. And by the way, they're going to adjust these things so that the responsiveness is better, and you can see these when you have a longer package name. But you can see this is that lifetime license package I created. The one-time credits, you can see they can add additional credits, and it shows how much it costs, how many credits, and then the monthly plans that I created. Again, they're going to adjust this so that these will have the correct font size. And all your customer is going to do is either buy now with PayPal, or if you've set up authorized.net, they will click on pay with card, and that will work for them as well. Once they select the package, you'll get paid whichever way you've set this up, and their plan will go live. That's how easy it is to set up agent packages with SMS-iT.